Dr. Ranj. My hair is just so tickly.
Grab a comb and wet your hair.
Oh, OK.
Grab a comb and wet your hair. 'Cause nits are not nice.
No.
Get rid of those lice.
Bye, lice.
Comb right through and take good care.
Right, I will.
Comb right through, just comb right through. Comb right through, just comb right through. Comb right through, just comb right through. Soon you'll have fine, healthy hair.
Oh, lovely. Can't wait.
Comb right through and take good care.
I will.
Soon you'll have fine, healthy hair.
'Cause I love my hair.
Let's get the nits and the lice that live there.
Yes, let's get them.
Comb right through and take good care. Comb right through, just comb right through. Comb right through, just comb right through. Comb right through, just comb right through. Soon you'll have fine, healthy hair.
Look! Wow, a balloon dog! Oh, my new friend. Thanks, Dr. Ranj. That's cool. Woof, woof. Ah, Dr. Ranj, it's my throat. It's wheezy.
Your throat may give a wheezy little cough. You just want to turn that coughing off. You try so hard to speak,
Yeah.
then all you do is squeak. It's called the croup, no need to droop. Though the croup can make you wheezy.
Wheezy.
It's called the croup, no need to droop. Just relax and take it easy.
Take it easy.
And now your cough is getting rather rough. And your tiny squeak is sounding very gruff. Your throat is getting sore.
It's very sore.
You can't take it anymore. It's called the croup, no need to droop. Though the croup can make you wheezy. It's called the croup, no need to droop. Just relax and take it easy. It's called the croup, no need to droop. Though the croup can make you wheezy. It's called the croup, no need to droop. Just relax and take it easy. Just relax and take it easy. Just relax and take it easy.
Here we go.
Fill your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share.
Yes.
Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. You're just trying just to breathe some air.
I am.
Where's it gone? It's not there. It's like your breath's been taken clean away.
Exactly.
Don't want to sound all wheezy.
Wheezy.
Want your breathing to be easy.
Easy.
Want to go outside and run and jump and play.
Yes.
Fill your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. An inhaler's just a thing
I've got one of those.
to give you back your zing and help to make your asthma go away.
Yeah.
Be breathing oh so easy
Easy.
and feeling bright and breezy.
Breezy.
You know that in a mo you'll be okay.
hope so.
Fill your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share.
One more
Fill
time.
your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share of lovely air.
I'm out of breath now, Dr. Ranj.
Yes, I have got it, Dr. Ranj. Wipe front to back, then flush, then wash.
Bugs like to live in our wee and our poo.
Ugh.
So we have to know what to do in the loo.
Right.
When bottoms need wiping, we must take good care
Yes.
not to spread bugs that are there.
Oh no.
Watch out, mucky bugs, it's time for goodbye.
Bye, bugs.
We'll keep our hands clean with a wash, rinse and dry. Watch out, mucky bugs, it's time for goodbye. We'll keep our hands clean with a wash, rinse and dry.
I like to use lovely bubbly soap.
Now we must learn how to wipe the right way. Start at the front and then you'll be okay. Wash, rinse and dry your hands when you're done.
I will.
Warm soapy water keeps those bugs on the run. Watch out, mucky bugs, it's time for goodbye. We'll keep our hands clean with a wash, rinse and dry. Watch out, mucky bugs, it's time for goodbye. We'll keep our hands clean with a wash, rinse and dry. Watch out, mucky bugs, it's time for goodbye. We'll keep our hands clean with a wash, rinse and dry. Watch out, mucky bugs, it's time for goodbye. We'll keep our hands clean and wave those mucky bugs bye-bye.
And don't come back.
I'm so glad you're feeling better.
Thanks, Dr. Ranj. My eyes are seeing so much better, Dr. Ranj.
Any colour, shape and size, learn to love your eyes, they're the best.
The best.
And if you're very wise, you'll learn to love your eyes, they're the best.
Yeah.
If you're staring at a tree but you're not sure what you see, where they're close up to your face so far away.
Oh, it's my hand.
And no need for a magician.
Phew.
Just talk to your optician. If you listen closely, this is what they'll say. Any colour, shape and size, learn to love your eyes, they're the best.
The best.
And if you're very wise, you learn to love your eyes, they're the best.
Super.
Don't worry needlessly when you can't see perfectly.
I'll try.
And your teary, tired eyes just need to rest.
A little sleep.
It's good to check your sight to see if it's alright. Those weary, bleary eyes might need a test. Any colour, shape and size, learn to love your eyes, they're the best. And if you're very wise, you learn to love your eyes, they're the best. Any colour, shape and size, learn to love your eyes, they're the best. And if you're very wise, you learn to love your eyes, they're the best. Hey there, kid, have you got a tissue?
I haven't.
'Cause I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh.
A tissue if you please. Your head begins to ache and your nose starts to drip. Face it, kid, you've got a cold, I'll give you a tip.
Yes, please.
Cover up your sneezes, stop spreading diseases. A chew, chew, chew is what you do.
To keep the bugs away now.
Hey there, kid, have you got a tissue? 'Cause I'm gonna sneeze. A tissue if you please. A scratchy throat, a runny nose, a cold is no fun.
It's no fun.
I'll tell you how to get those bugs on the run.
Bugs on the run.
Cover up your sneezes, stop spreading diseases. A chew, chew, chew is what you do.
To keep the bugs away now.
Hey there, kid, have you got a tissue? 'Cause I'm gonna sneeze. A tissue if you please. Your head begins to ache and your nose starts to drip. Face it, kid, you've got a cold, I'll give you a tip.
Yes, please.
Cover up your sneezes, stop spreading diseases. A chew, chew, chew is what you do.
To keep the bugs away now.
Hey there, kid, have you got a tissue? 'Cause I'm gonna sneeze. A tissue if you please.
So sorry, Dr. Ranj. It's a runny one.
Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon.